Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing a swap that I was in with Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. I will link her channel down below. Her and I are in a Galentine's Day swap with each other, and I wanted to show you the package that she sent to me. Elizabeth and I have been swapping for quite some time. I love when we get to swap crafty goodies with each other. Elizabeth had it all packaged up so nicely and was filled with lots of shred. This is my second time recording this video. I have actually gone through all of this. For some reason on my first video, audio was not connected to the video, so I'm having to re-record it, and I apologize for that in advance, Elizabeth. Thank you so much for everything. Let's go through all the things that she has sent me. Inside of her packaging, she has these adorable felt hearts. And I'm thinking she made these, and they are just the super cutest little hearts, along with these really pretty fabric roses. And she also had it stuffed with beautiful pink, red, and white shred. This is the card that she sent my way. It is so cute with these little bees. Maybe she made this on her Cricut. It's adorable. She wrote me a note inside. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for swapping and for all these sweet goodies. I'm gonna set these aside. Actually, I think I'm just gonna push them up there because they're so pretty. The first thing is she sent me a selection of stickers. She sent these super cute heart ones. Then we also have some epoxy stickers. A cute collection of those, and then also some envelope seals, and these are great to seal up my envelopes when I mail out my dewdrops. Thank you for sharing these stickers with me. And she has also shared some sample washi tapes. These are so pretty, Valentine's Day related. Thank you so much for that. She sent me a pocket letter. It's a really nice 12 by 12 size. It is Hello Kitty themed. It is so stinking cute. This is such a fun sized pocket letter. We have a little dangle on the side. So cute. And then in the back, she shared some post-it notes. We have some little notepads, some sticky gems, these cute Hello Kitty stickers, some pink bling Hello Kitty stickers there, as well as some really cute bow stickers. Thank you for sending me this super sweet pocket letter. I appreciate it so much. She then shared some St. Patrick's Day clovers. These are some stickers as well as some charms. I apologize for the lighting as well. My ring light is giving a glare. When I filmed this earlier, it was daylight and now it's dark outside. Sorry about that. She also sent some yummy sweet tarts, definitely going in my candy drawer. We have some Hello Kitty pencils. I do have a Hello Kitty box, and I will definitely be putting those inside. The super sweet berry scented sprinkles face mask. Thank you for that as well. She also created these so sweet handmade picks. I believe these are the heart picks from the dollar store. She has these beautiful giant beads and then these cute erasers. I am so sorry, guys. I don't know what is going on, but my audio cut out after this section, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a voiceover for the rest of the video. Here we have some Bo Bunny stamps. This is the Builder Rainbow set. They are the cutest designs. I love how each rainbow section has these cute little images. This is the Groovy stamp set, also from Bo Bunny. These images are so adorable. She always sends me the cutest stamp sets. This is an adorable Valentine's Day puppy wood-mounted stamp, along with this cute heart ribbon. A set of postage stamp stickers. They have the cutest Valentine's Day sentiments on them. I don't have these stickers in my stash. Thank you so much for sending them my way. This is the Recollections Sweetheart Day 3.5 by 8-inch paper. This is great. I did not pick up this paper pad this season. The only one that I got was the Hello Valentine in the 6x6. This paper pad has lots of glitter, adorable Valentine's Day patterns, as well as some really pretty vellum sheets. And I've seen lots of videos with new ideas on how to use this vellum sheets. And this is a great size for someone like me that makes cards and embellishments. The paper is just the perfect size. Thank you so much for that. This is a super cute Valentine's Day sticker book with lots of fun stickers. This is great. I use a lot of these stickers on my packages when I send out my dewdrops. Here are some 6x8 pages. I believe this collection is the Lucky Us. I do have this collection and I'm so happy to have these extra sheets to add in for me to create with. I really love the pastel colors in this collection. It's just so pretty. Thank you so much for these. She sent this super cute Be Happy notebook and it is blank pages on the inside. You can do lots of crafting in that. And she sent this super fun pen. I have not had one of these in years, but it's adorable and is going into my pen collection. This baggie had the cutest little heart stick pins. There were some bigger hearts and some little hearts, and these are going to make great embellishments. In this cute plastic candy box, we have a collection of super cute colored beads. And these are going to be great for making charms and dangles. I love these pastel colors. They're just so pretty. And it looks like my audio has picked up towards the middle of this video, so we'll continue with that. And in this one, we have these flat cabochons. They are so fun. I love these colors. I love that color. I don't believe I have these. These are great. They're going to go great in my stash of supplies. Thank you so much. She sent some of these holographic doilies, which are so fun and sparkly, and these foam flowers. In this cute pouch, we have this ice cream cone. It is plastic, and it's a highlighter. That is so cute. I love highlighters. That's going to go up with my highlighters. So fun. And then let's see what's in here. We have a super sweet collection of pink beads. These are all amazing. So fun. Look at these beautiful giant beads. I love them so much. We have the bows. Look at how cute these are. Thank you so much for sharing this collection of pink beads with me. I love them so much. You know that I will be hoarding them forever. I just love them so much. And in this box, she has shared some handmade embellishments, and I'm going to quickly organize them so you can get a look. In these two baggies, she has made some paper bows. And in this one, we have the layered butterfly. We have a variety of paper bows, glittered bows, fabric bows. Thank you so much for those. Some glittered hearts. These are so fun. I love those colors. Here we have some rosettes, and these are in all different sizes. I'm not sure what kind of rosette this is, that it almost looks like a star. I love this pattern paper. I believe it goes this way though. This is so cute. You'll have to let me know which die made these because they are so adorable. I love that design. So cute. And then we also have some of these that she made. Look at that cluster. Some are these, and some are embellished. And that is my package from Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. Thank you, Elizabeth, so much for swapping with me for this Valentine's Day. Before I go, I wanted to do a quick sneak peek of my upcoming dewdrop release. Either this release is going to be right before this video or right after. This is the March 2024 release. We have this beautiful light blue. We have this super pale yellow. We have this gorgeous green for St. Patrick's Day. And then we have this light purple eggplanty color. And this is going to be the new March 2024 release. It will be available in my Etsy shop. If you would like to direct message me for a purchase, It's $5 for 25 of each color. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.